Samsung SDS is IT arm of Samsung Group. Samsung SDS has been trying to automate our own processes so that we can increase the productivity of our own work. And then we're trying to evangelize to our customers so that they should be able to use it on their own use case. Dell technologies with NVIDIA give a consistent service to our employees so they should be able to use those technology. You need multiple language model, the RAG, the plugin, and also it needs to store data. In a way, it's AI Factory. Generative AI is used in a way that we should be able to hyper-automate all the work process. We can improve productivity by up to 70%. For example, you do maybe an hour of meetings and you have to summarize it. It takes hours. Now, using product called Briti Copilot, it records it and it summarizes for you in a different language, multiple different languages. With Dell technologies, with NVIDIA, we are able to not only get the GPU servers and storage, you get the best performance of the marketplace. Using Dell PowerEdge XE9680, we are able to deliver the consistency and power consumption and high performance. With this generative AI, you don't have to code, you don't have to access the very difficult systems. Dell technologies with NVIDIA give us the power to have a consistent performance at any given use case that there is. That's the great thing about this partnership.